HAIRSTYLES, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a tutorial on the French curl Senegalese twist, and I personally feel like this is the soft girl summer of the season. Now, you all have loved it so much on my Pinterest and my Instagram, so I figured it was finally time for me to grace you with the full video. It will not be on me, but it will be on one of my clients that I service for my hair business, The Curly Fashionista. And I've also installed it on my clients and I haven't had any complaints yet. It's so soft, and especially with this hair, I love to loosen it a little bit before I install it. I think just giving that extra fluffiness and ease when separating is just so much more effective when installing this style. And it also comes in so many pretty colors, and I will have this hair linked on my Amazon and you can find it in my description. I don't know about some people, but I actually love doing thick hair. I come from a thick hair family, so all of my thick hair beauties and bros, you're welcome to come get crowned by me. I am showing you this is all one pack so far, and so I'm going to try to show you the closest up that I could get. Please bear with me. This is my first time doing a full video with my client or a client in general. I hope you all enjoy it. I'll just be talking throughout the video to give you guys some tips, tell you what I'm doing, so I really hope you enjoy this video. Absolutely love starting my Senegalese twist or twist in general with a knotless twist. It just looks so seamless and I enjoy the way it looks on my clients. Now for burning the ends, I did 5 knots, and you want to slightly burn it because you don't want to burn this hair too much, because for some reason if I burn it seriously too much over so many different seconds, I have no idea, but it won't effectively hold the hair in place. So all you need is just a few, like 2 seconds of burning. So just be careful when you do that at the ends, and that basically just seals the ends and you're really all set. You don't even have to dip it. Now here, I've decided to use the Magic Fingers Shine and Jam. Especially with this style, I think it's best that I use that gel because it holds so much better than the regular yellow cap Shine and Jam. I would love also recommendations if you guys have any other gels that you've been loving that does not flake and hydrates instead. I would love to hear your recommendations in the comments below. Just showing you how I am tying the ends. I love to do between 6 to 7 ties around the hair, and I just take a small piece of the hair and I wrap it around those multiple times. And after I'm done, like I said, I'm going to burn those ends to double seal it. I want to make sure my clients love their style for as long as they can, so I'm making sure that I'm double sealing with a little bit of that fire at the end. And it perfectly looks great too. Right now, I believe I am on pack number 6 or 7. I believe either probably 6.5. Right now with packs. I did have to use 10 packs of hair for this beautiful client. I loved how beautiful her thick hair was. I'm very much used to working with it, like I said. And so it only comes in 8 packs. So if you get it on Amazon and you know that you have really thick hair, I would highly suggest getting 2 orders of this hair. Like I said, it comes with 8 bundles, and so basically you'll have 16 bundles, but it's okay. You might really like the style and you might want to do it again. But I always say it's better to have more than enough hair to not have as much hair as you need to complete your style, especially when it comes to my clients. I want to make sure I have enough hair for them because I don't want them to have to wait for me to go get more hair or come back the next day. I want to respect their time and I want to respect mine. But obviously, if it comes to me, then I'm more than fine with ordering it again and just doing it the next day. And yes, as you could see, we were watching Mako Mermaids. Obviously, The Little Mermaid has been trending since last year and all summer. Don't come for me, I haven't watched it yet. Me and my family are still waiting to go and watch it, but I'm really excited to go see it when I get the chance. But I've been on a mermaid crave, and I think every time the summer comes around, I'm always on a mermaid crave, obviously because of the summer beach trips, wanting to be in water and warm weather. It just feels so good. Now, this style for me lasts about 1.5 months. I try to make it last at least to the 2-month mark because I love it so much, and how I like to just keep it maintained throughout the week is I put it in a bun. I make sure I have my satin bonnet and my satin pillowcase. That's really important for you guys to sometimes both have, because you never know if between the night your bonnet wants to go and have a party or go out and meet another bonnet or something like that. So I always like to have an extra backup and make sure I just put on satin pillowcases. I love to oil my scalp whenever needed. I don't like to put too much product on it throughout the day either. I don't recommend swimming with the style only because it will age it faster. Now, if you're more than okay with having your curly hair frizz up underneath and it being shown, you're more than welcome to swim with the style for the summer. But in my opinion, I highly don't recommend swimming with it if you are a queen who loves it to look polished and uniform. I'm still currently looking for hair models who are comfortable with being on camera, who are comfortable with sitting for a long period of time to get this done. As of right now, my fastest time has been 9 hours. Obviously, I'm going to be taking content right after so that we can show other queens how gorgeous the style is. I also will require a 1-month review, and I will be messaging you when that review comes through for you to just simply fill out a form of how you enjoyed the style. Would you recommend it to a family or friend? Would you get the style again? Would you love a maintenance on the style so that it could last longer for you? And I just do this because I want to make sure that I'm giving the best quality service for all of my clients. So if you are interested in getting this style by me, I am located in the Cleveland, Ohio area. I work outside of my home currently, and I am running this until the end of summer for $250, and of course that includes hair included. You'll be welcome into a positive environment that smells really good. You'll be having enjoyable energy. You are welcome to watch whatever you want on Netflix. You're welcome to bring your laptop to work if you have business meeting. I also offer tea if you just need that pick-me-up throughout the appointment. I would love to service you and for us to just have fun, to get to know each other, and for you to get crowned. If you all haven't done so yet, I do have all of the pictures of my styles on my website at www.curlyfashionista.com. I will also have that in the description below. And please follow my Instagram page at the.curlyfashionista. I will also have those pictures uploaded as well if you're looking for passion twists, Marley twists, crochet styles, or even butterfly locks. I do offer all of those services as well, and with my services, hair is included. Like I said, you all have been loving the style so much on my Pinterest and my Instagram, so please follow me to save more styles under your Pinterest board at Love Porsha. And then on my personal page, you can see me style with some really beautiful feminine fashion that I think you would be super inspired by at Porsha Renae Hall. I've also been seeing a lot of you guys sending me images and tagging me in your videos of this style, so I really appreciate it, and it's really cool to see that I inspired you to try a really pretty feminine style. And if you do try this, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to support you, and thank you for following my video and being inspired by me. Now, as of right now, I really am trying to pick up my speed, but as a stylist, it's really important for me to make sure that I'm doing quality over quantity of time and duration. I want my appointments to really feel like you are being relaxed, you're enjoying the experience, and you're being treated like royalty. So that's why I really take my time when it comes to these styles. So if you want to book with me, just know that I am a stylist that values quality over quantity. Not only is hair included in all of my services, but a trim, a blow dry service. Unfortunately, shampooing is not included in my services because I do work outside of my home. So if you could please come shampoo, that would be a huge help to me, and even a plus if you would love to blow dry your own hair. We could just jump right into it. I do own a Rev Air, which is so cool. They actually sent it to me, so I really appreciate them. You can use my code Porsha to save on some money if you are interested in using and having your own effective Rev Air. I get done with my clients at least 20 minutes when I use the Rev Air, so it's a huge bonus and upgrade to my services. I am also trimming my client's hair at the ends of this style, just so that when she goes to style, she doesn't have her rings or her nails caught on some of the loose hair. Now for my favorite, I made this oil, and so far my clients have been loving it. I made it out of Jamaican black castor oil, lavender, frankincense, and vanilla. It just smells so lovely, and I think it's perfect scent for the summer. And it just obviously stimulates and promotes hair growth and shine. Now spraying for extra sheen, and I definitely spray a lot because hello, this is a long and thick style, so I want my girls to be shining so bright when they walk up out of here. And you are welcome to do this also throughout the week. I don't recommend doing it every single day because you don't want too much product buildup, but it just adds extra moisture and shine to your style. This is synthetic hair, so you know it is going to age a little bit faster than if I installed human hair. And we are complete. This is my favorite part about my appointment, seeing how my client loved it, and this beautiful Princess Jasmine loved this style. I was able to style her hair in one of my favorite hairstyles, and it's giving very princessy ballet core coquette vibes, and she absolutely adored it. As you can see, this is the front view. All of my clients love that half up, half down too. I mean, who doesn't love it? It's absolutely gorgeous. And you can see she loves the style so much, and it just warms my heart when my clients smile and they love their style. It's really important for them to walk out of there full of confidence. Thank you all so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making this tutorial for you. And if you are in the Cleveland, Ohio area, come see me and book an appointment. Subscribe for more hair videos, and I will see you all in my next video. Goodbye. Love you.